Here's our like notes on Instagram. So in this video, I'm going to exactly show you how you can like notes on Instagram. So liking notes on Instagram is pretty easy and simple. Just make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First of all, go to Instagram. And here, as you can see, I'm on Instagram. Just go to your DMs. Once you press on your DMs, as you can see, there are many notes on the top. So just press on the note that you want to like. Let's say you want to like this note. As you can see that I have many options with my keyboard right over here, but on my right side I will be able to see a mini icon of a heart. Just press on this heart. When it turns red, it means you have basically liked someone's note, and that's how you like anyone's note. And it's pretty simple. As you can see, it's showing me the red icon again, and it shows that I have liked someone notes. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video helped you out, and leave a comment. Until then, goodbye.